Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDC on the Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, find the USDC on your home page by scrolling down, or you can simply tap onto the search bar. Now here you can find the USDC option right here. Now tap on it. Now you can find the pairs of the USDC. Now choose one of the USDC that you are interested in, just like this. After that, simply tap onto buy option right here. Now add the additional informations about the given USDC, and you can simply tap on to preview buy order. And after doing that, you can simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy USDC on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.